Believe it or not, in only 10 minutes, you will learn to play this beautiful piano song. Let's get started. All right, we start by playing middle C 3 times and upper C. Middle C and upper C. We do this a few times and we try to be consistent. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great! That's our first warm up. Next, we play upper C with a thumb. Then we play D with pointer finger, E with middle finger, F with ring finger, that's a weak finger, and pinky with a G with pinky, also a weak finger. These are weak fingers. No worries, probably they stand up like this. That's totally normal at the beginning. It will fade in a few days. So, let's play C, D, E, F, G. 3 times. D, E, F, G. One more time. C, D, E, F, G. Great! Next step, we play C, D, E, G. Yes, we skip the F. We only play these notes. And this is harder than it looks. 3 times. Ready? C, D, E, G. One more time. C, D, E, G. One last time. C, D, E, G. Great. It's getting harder and harder. Now we start with the pinky. Then we play the thumb. Pointer finger and then middle finger. So let's try this. One more time. And one more time. Pinky, thumb, pointer, middle finger. Great! Super, super great. Next step is that you try to play it a little faster. Next step is you press the pedal with your foot. I hope you have one. Mine looks like this, super, super tiny, but there are bigger ones. And I press this with my foot and what it does. Have a look. The notes keep sounding. So let's put this down. And now we play without pedal. Now with pedal. And now we make music when we play this a little faster. And take your time for this one, because if you make this, you mastered the hardest part of this video and the most important part. And if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is totally for free, as a thank you, I do have a free piano course for beginners. I link this in the video description below. Yeah, you get to my website werdemusiker.com and I have a full piano course for beginners which is free. And I also have premium courses which are even more comprehensive and so on, but this one I link below is for my subscribers for free. So if you subscribe, thank you so much. Grab your piano course as a big, big thank you. So, and I promise it's fun. It's super fun. All right. So, next step, we are adding the left hand. And I make this super easy for you when we play together. Because left hand and right hand playing together is super hard, but let's do this. Together. Right, right, right. Together. Right, right, right. Let's play this a little faster and then slower again. Yeah, so now slow. I play together, right, 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 together, right, right, right. The left and the right hand plays exactly the same what we already had, and the left hand just plays the C. Together, right, 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 together, right, right, right. Let's do this one more time. And this time we only play the left hand once, not twice. We play together, right, 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 right. And faster, it sounds like this. So, next we play the note A. But everything else stays. Together, right, 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 right. Next, we play the note F. And again, together, right, 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 right. And for the last thing, we play G. And the right hand stays exactly the same. Left hand plays G, right hand is the same. So that's it. The right hand keeps playing the same notes over and over again, and the left hand plays C, A, F, and G. And a little faster, it sounds like this. And I have one variation for you if you want. At the end, when you play G, you can play D, C, D, C, D. And then it sounds like D, C, D, C, D. And again. All right, and that's it. Congratulations. That was not easy, but you made it. Great, thanks so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe and grab your free piano crash course for beginners. I'm sure you will love it if you like this video. And here's the next video for you. Thanks so much and see you there.